Hello everybody, Ghosty here, and today I'm going to be discussing how to export, import, and edit your Infinity Blade 3 unencrypted save files. So to go ahead and get this started, you're going to need to have the save transfer mod side loaded onto an IPA, or you can just download the unofficial patch IPA, which all can be found on the GitHub for the Infinity Blade 3 save editor that I made. You can come down here to all the info and you can download it right here. It is also on the modding Discord as well. So once you have that, you're going to need to sideload that. And before you do, make sure you come over to advanced options, then enable file sharing so that you can access your files, which is going to be important for later. Alright, so now once you have done that, you're going to need to export your save file, which here is a video on how to do that. Alright, so once you have exported your unencrypted save successfully, you can port it over to your PC via Discord or any other transferring service. Doesn't really matter as long as you can get it over. And once you have it over here, you're going to want to install the save editor, which I will have a link in the description for. Come over here to releases and then download the zip. There's also a written guide down here on how to do all of this if you're interested in that. Okay, so once you have it installed, you're going to want to extract it. And then once it is extracted, you're going to want to keep the save file like this. And then what you're going to want to do is take your unencrypted save file and then move it into the save file. And I already have one in here, so it's going to ask me to replace it. And once we have that, we're going to go ahead and open the save editor. And if it's your first time opening it, it's going to ask you to just run it anyways. Or if you don't want to run it, it is not a virus. The source code is fully online on the GitHub if you want to see what I have done. Since it's not it doesn't have a certified license, it's going to pop up this anyway. So once the save file has been loaded successfully, it's going to have a confirmation up here as well as a UI that pops up. Alright, so now if we want to edit our currency, we're going to press 1 and then say enter. And then we're going to edit currency with 1. And right here is our currency stats. You can go and take a look at all of this. This is the total acquired, found in world, etc. Has everything in here. So if I want to go ahead and edit my gold, I can give myself 99 million or something like that. So there we go. And it's going to ask for my new chips value. And I'm just going to give myself as much as I want. Do not go over the max integer limit or else you're going to have problems. Okay, so once the edits have been made, we can go ahead and say okay. And then we can either just come over here or we can return home and exit the program. Now that we have made our changes, we can go ahead and come over to the save. And then we can take this, use whatever transferring service. I use Discord. And then port it back over to our file location, keeping the name's integrity intact. And then we can import it into Infinity Blade 3. Here's a video on how to do that. Alright, so that is all I have to showcase for this video. If you have any comments, questions, or sort of bugs with the program, please just let me know and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. I might be adding new functionality to the save editor depending on if people request it. So, yep. Have a good one, everybody.